How to add a moving text on your video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app, create a new project, select the video in which you want to include a moving text, go to text and on the bottom, add text, and now you simply need to add a long text which you want to include on your video. I'm simply writing hello here, long enough so that appears throughout the video. Now to make it a moving text, you simply need to tap in the first, move the cursor in the front and simply click on keyframe at the top right corner beside the undo option. Now for the first position, move the text inside the left hand side. Now move your cursor above and how you want the text to appear, add another keyframe and simply bring the cursor a little ahead. Follow the same process until you bring the text at the other corner. Now automatically as one keyframe has been added, you just need to move the cursor and also the text where you want to change its position. So that's it. Once you have completed this process for the whole text, you will see that the text now appears moving on your video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.